Hi everybody, my name is Onur. Today we're gonna show you how you can use change detection Python codes with Anaconda and Spider. So this is the last product I want to show you before we starting and how you can run these codes. But this is the last product. You will get it in the end. You will get the Excel files, you will get the line graphs, you will get the RGB images, the area that you want to apply. So also there is like 3 videos. They're gonna show the change detection based on the dates and RGB images. So if you apply like long-term version, so you'll get like the more surface area changing. So we're gonna run the Anaconda right now to run our Python code. So we prefer to using the Spider usually, but it depends whatever you want, wherever you want to run the code, it's okay, but we prefer to Spider. So we're gonna launch right now. All right, so all you need is 2 raw file. One of them is the shape file that shows the location where you're gonna apply. The second one is the raw dataset. It might be either Landsat 8 images or Landsat 9 images. All you need is you can download, and that's it. So we applying this code by using the raw file. So now we're gonna show you where we're gonna apply. It is the Salton Lake in US. So white area shows the area of the lake. If you want to apply smaller or bigger, and it's up to you. So this is KMZ file, as you know, but you need the shape file. You can do with this ArcGIS or QGIS, whatever software you want to use it. So let's run the Spider. Okay, this is the code that we wrote. So there's a description at the beginning, so you can read what's the raw path file means or dataset number. You will find more information here, but if you have a still question, you can keep in touch with us. So this is the necessary file packages, and this is the code. And now we're gonna run the code. When you run the code, the interface is coming, so you just simply fill the necessary parts. That's it. For example, in the input data set, you need to show this blank. You need to show where your raw files are. So in this case, so our raw files here in the row in the unzip files. So this supposed to be like this. When you download from any website for Landsat 8, Landsat 9, it's gonna come here raw file. So we're gonna add 2 in the end, and we're gonna just copy the path, and we're gonna add here input file. And also you need to create output file. It's supposed to be inside, supposed to be empty. So this is what we're gonna do. We copy the path of the output file and the file numbers, which means how many data sets you want to use. In this case, we're going to use 19 data sets, and the range gave for dates means like that shows the dates on the x-axis. So we prefer like 3 in this case, because if you use more than like 10, it's going to show so many dates on the x-axis, so that's why we prefer the less number. So when you run the codes, and Spider shows the plots here, and as I said before, we create the output file. Now you can see output file was empty at the beginning, but now like the Python codes create some files. So we apply for 19 files. We need to wait for a while. So we are creating the cut files that shows the area where you cut, and it's supposed to be 19. And we're gonna also creating the Excel file, video files, or JPEG or RGB images or water body shapes. So all the files you can use with ArcGIS, or maybe your presentation you can use the video. So we're gonna wait for a while to complete the 19 images. Yep, it's running. Almost done, hopefully. So now the other files is empty. We're just waiting the first step to complete the cut files. Alright, alright, okay, so this is the line graphs with the JPEG files. So like each date, for example 2013 to 2015, so it shows like every image is like different dates. So this is RGB images, and this is the video as a product. Okay, when we look at the video, this is the line graphs, and from 2013 to 2014, that shows the surface area of the lake, Salton Lake, how it decreased. And you will also like the same dates in terms of RGB images like this. You can apply for cities or any like mining area, any place that you want to see the surface change that you believe. And this is the like both product, RGB images and line graphs. And lastly, we are also creating the Excel files that shows the dates at the same time area with this GSV file. This is the Excel file. So some of the Excel shows like properly this data set, but sometimes you need to convert, like you need to separate with the comma, and some Excel, some computer shows in a correct way, but sometimes you need to convert it or separate it with the comma. That's gonna show like each like dates and the area. For example, in this case for 2013 to 2014, there are like 15 kilometer square. There is a differences in terms of water coverage area. Thank you for watching. Hopefully enjoy it. Bye bye.